Okay, so that just means that they're recording me doing this. All right, so what I want to do is I want to talk about all the different ways that we can solve different problems. Okay, so we've started talking about that some, and I want to go ahead and I want to look at the whiteboard and share a whiteboard. And let's say I had this problem. Let's say I had the problem 99 and 299. I want to add 97, 99 plus 97. Now, I want you guys to figure out how much 99 plus 97 is. As soon as you think you have an answer, give me a thumbs up, and we're going to share what your answers are, and we're going to share how you figured it out. Now, it has to be some sort of way that you figured out in your head, so you can't go get a calculator real quick and do that, but I want you guys to figure out some ways in your head without writing it down. How can you figure out what 99 plus 97 is? So as soon as you have a way, Gio, try to figure it out in your head first. Use some mental strategies. And then give me a thumbs up once you have an idea. 99 plus 97. Thumbs up once you have an idea. Let me see if I can see everybody. Okay. I see a couple people with their thumbs up. All right, Noemi, why don't you tell me, what was your, I'm going to put N for Noemi. Okay, Noemi, what was your way? Well, I mean, excuse me, what was your answer? I can't hear you, Noemi. You're muted, sweetie. You're still muted. You're muted, Noemi. Unmute yourself. Okay, there you go.
Because it didn't let me, because it said that hotspot muted you. Can I show my strategy how that I got my answer?
Just tell me your answer first. What do you think it is?
Okay.
I don't know if you're frozen, Noemi, or if you're still thinking. So I'm going to come back to you. Okay. Let's go to Gio. Gio, why don't you tell me what you think the answer is?
196.
196. Okay, that's all I want to know first is what you think the answer is. Anybody else have an idea? Noemi, are you unfrozen? What do you think the answer is? I think you're still frozen. I'm going to go to Giuseppe. Giuseppe, I'm going to put your two initials, G and P. G is for Gio and P is for Giuseppe. Go ahead and tell me what you think the answer is.
196.
Okay. Let me look to see if I see any more. Lupita, I saw your thumb up. What do you think, Lupita? Out for Lupita. I see Chewy.
1, 9, and 6.
A 1, 9, and 6. 196. So you're agreeing, Noemi? What about you, sweetie?
196.
196. Okay, so all the people that have shared pretty much are in agreement that our final total is 196. Now, what I'm interested in is how did you get 196? Now, can you tell me what you were doing? Noemi, go ahead and share your thinking with me. And if I can, I will write it down. Okay, so go ahead and share.
Okay. So wait, look, so right here, all the two numbers were class. So I use 9 plus 9, it's 18. So I put a 1 there, then I
I'm having a hard time hearing you again, Noemi. It's either lagging or it's internet connection. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I heard you say the 9 plus the 9 is 18, so you put a 1 there. Am I right in thinking that that's where you were starting?
I couldn't hear you. What?
I heard you say that 9 plus 9 is 18. Is that what you said to me? Okay.
Yes.
I understand that part, but I'm wondering how you got 9 plus 9, and then maybe you can explain a little bit more. Maybe I can pick up what you're saying. Go ahead.
So like 9 plus 9 is 18.
Got it.
I use the 1 and I got 8 plus 1 is 9. So I put 9 there, and then I put 9 plus 7, and it equals 16. And I take the 1 out, and I put the 6 there. 16,
Okay, so what it sounds like to me,
196.
so I hear what you're saying, and it sounds to me like you're describing the paper and pencil way, right? Some of the ways when you would write it down and you're describing your paper and pencil way. Absolutely, I hear that. Okay, can somebody describe another way of doing it? Thank you, Noemi. Do we have another way? Gio, what are you thinking?
I am thinking that 100 plus 100 is 200.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me write this down. So you're saying 100 plus 100 equals 200. Now, I agree, but I'm wondering, where did you get the 100 plus 100?
And I rounded them.
Oh, so you looked at this number and you said 99 is close to 100. So you got that right there.
Mm-hmm.
And this 97, well, that's rounded, which we were working on. That's real close to 100 as well. And you got it there. And then you added 100 plus 100 and got 200. Okay. Tell me the next things that you did.
I minus 1 from the 200.
You minused 1 from the 200?
Yes. No.
Okay. Why?
Because that's 99.
Okay, so if I'm hearing you right, you took 200 and you took 1 away from it, because this was really 99 was 1 away from 100. And when you took 1 away from 200, what did you get, honey?
199.
Okay, now what'd you do? What's the next thing you did? Because you told me your answer was 196. So yeah, I'm on board with that. What else did you do?
Then I minus 3 more
From
the 199.
So you said 199. And why did you do that?
Because of the 9. No, because of this 97. Right?
I see. Since 97 was 3 away from 100, then you took 3 more, and that's where you got 196. I like that math thinking. Thank you for sharing very much. Okay, excellent. Anybody else come up with another way? Is there another way we can do it? Got any more? What are you thinking? Any more? Thumbs up if you got another way. Well, let me ask you about this. I'm going to go off of what Gio said. Gio had said that he took away, he started at 100 and 100 and did 200. What if we said 200 and we took away 4? Is that possible? Yeah, it's probably okay. I see some of you nodding your heads because right here, this was 1 away from 100. This was 3 away from 100. 1 plus 3 is 4, and we still would end up with 196. Boys and girls, thank you for sharing your math thinking with it. That's how we get good and strong and even stronger, I should say, at math is we're willing to take some risks, take some chances, talk about math. There's always more than one way to solve a problem. There is that paper and pencil way, but then a lot of the math that I have to do every single day, I don't walk around with a slate and a whiteboard. I have to know how to think about numbers and pull numbers apart and put them back together. You did a great job with that. So let me clear that. Clear my drawings. I want to exit out of here. I want to stop share. And I'm going to stop that recording. Great job, boys and girls.